All right, here we go. It is August 20th. It's been a month since I made a video here. Really not much going on. There was a dearth. Well, I treated a month ago with the oh, there's the rooster. I treated a month ago with Hop Guard. And then I came back 2 weeks later, took it out. And then that's it. So I know you're kind of supposed to do 2 rounds, but I don't know. I've never used it before. I wanted to try it out. I did have other 12 hives here at this farm. I did have 3 with queen problems. So I wasn't really thinking to do another 2 weeks of it. I'm gonna do Formic Pro next week. So that's it. So this is the honey super section. And do this real quick. I'll show you in a minute. But the goldenrod has finally, you might be able to see it in the background here. It's a little bit back here. I don't know if you're seeing that. Not really. But anyways, let's see what they're doing. I'd like to see some dark nectar in here is what I'm hoping for. And like I said, this time of year, about every 2 weeks I'm in here. Don't have to come in every week. They're not swarming. Not even thinking about leaving. Matter of fact, they weren't even bringing anything in to get worried. So we have beautiful frame right there. So I got 3 supers on, then the brood box. So let's just see what they're up to. Up top here. Oh yeah. All right, so there's nectar right there. They're bringing it in. All right, so we're into our fall flow. The goldenrod's coming. Can't really see the color right now because of the way the sun is. I'm trying to get done early. It is so humid this week. All right, that's a little bit of nectar. Not a lot. Not as good as those other 3, so. Center is open. They should have, oh boy, that one's full. So that was probably ready about a month ago. So I only pull the frames that are ready. I don't just pull boxes and then try to dry honey. So what you're seeing there is lighter honey, which would be summer honey. And I don't have to worry about feeding them because they got plenty. And then the fall flow mixes right in. So things are looking good right here. Don't have to feed my hives, don't have to worry about them running out of food, even in the dearth, which I think this year ran about 3 weeks, it seemed. All right, plenty of room right there. What are we doing? Outer frame here. All right, so this is the top box. Top super, nothing on the outsides. All right, beautiful girls. On my arm for a minute, bear with me. The roosters are yelling at me. Chickens. Yeah, I'm trying to get things done early so I'm not out here in the heat of the day is the plan. But yeah, not much going on this month of August. Especially this hive here, this is the one we requeened. 3-year-old queen made it. I want to say she made it to beginning of August. Yeah, that's got some weight. All right, ladies, all right, let's not get upset. All right, let me move you back down so you can see what we're doing. What are we doing? All right, so looks like it's just starting to come in. Oh boy, here we go. 2 foot. Goldenrod is, I'll show a picture after. Here, a little bit of honey out there, but that is empty. So let's see, what are they doing? Really not much. It looks like a little bit in the center, not much. Looks like it's just starting. They're just starting to bloom, so they're just bringing some in now. Not a lot. Tons of room. Let's hope we get a couple of good weeks. We got Looks like we got a hurricane coming this weekend. It's gonna hit the Cape Sunday, so we'll see what that does. That's nice frame. It's not dark yet, so it's not a super dark nectar. So it's probably the first week of it really popping. First week I've noticed them here and there, but so it's not full blown like I was hoping. The good thing is I have plenty of drawn comb this year going into the fall. I mean, this is wide open, so there's really not much to see here. One, two, looks like 2 full frames, not even anything in it, so I'm not gonna pop that one. All right, so uneventful, which is fine. End of August. It's still, humidity is like through the roof. I think the dew point today is like 74. Yeah, I don't want to be out here today. All right, one more. Whew. Come on, nice and easy, girls. I'm trying to go easy. Oh. Sheesh. Go bless, girls. All right. Hold on. No need to be mad. Maybe I got too much space. It's hard to say. Let's clean that up for a second. Oh, I'm gonna move the camera. Moving the camera. All right. So this is the 3rd box, closest to the brood chamber. Let's see. It's hot. Let's see what they're up to. Oh yeah, we got girls working these. All right, so they're filling right here. So they're filling right in here. They're doing the ring. So there's a little coming in. They're gonna fill the bottom first. Surprised they haven't moved any of that honey from the top down. Yep, all right, so we got good nectar right there. This is all nectar right in here. All right, so they are bringing it in. Middle box just hasn't really been utilized yet. Yep, it's coming in. They're doming it though. I'll take it. Looks good, girls. You can tell they're, yeah, you can see their faces. They're stuffing them. They're filling the cells. They're filling, all right. Got queen cups up top here. But we got a flow. A good one. Starting. Fall flow is starting. Yeah, you can see it right here. I'll try to put it in the sun. I know it's not ideal because of the shade. But they're filling the dome. You can see them working. I'll take it. Let's see. Start filling. You guys can fill 3 boxes. That'll be phenomenal. Yeah, this is heavy. This has got some good weight to it. This one here, that's all good nectar. And right in there. Oops. Move over, ladies. Move over. All right, couple more. We're done. We'll move on. Yep, it's right in here. Right in there. She's over here. They're over there. So they're filling. It's coming in. Finally. For me, I laugh because I always look at the hummingbird feeders when the yellow jackets go after it. Seems to be one of the signs. And now all of a sudden they're nowhere near it. So must be something good out there they're getting. But goldenrod is about to explode. All right, what is that? I just saw a hive beetle. Fix this problem right away. There's one right here. I know I only got a couple here, but a couple's too many. All right, we got it. One hive beetle, I know. Everybody's gonna make fun of me this week because I see one hive beetle and go out of my way to kill it. All right, so that's it. That's the honey supers. August 20th. We're just starting the fall, I'd say the fall flow here. ready to rock and roll. Let me put this away, and I'll show you. Whew, goldenrod. And then you come over here, if the sun doesn't get it all, but right in front of the hives. Going crazy. Thank you for watching.